Hey guys, it's Wasima. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my aunt's room and they've given me the opportunity to design it however I would like to. I'm excited because I have the creative freedom to do whatever I want, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. I want this room to feel cool, cozy, and modern, and my budget to transform this room is $500, so let's get started. This is the current layout of my aunt's room. It's about 17 feet by 14 feet. The one thing we are going to get rid of are the sad old drapes. I'm going to move the rocking chair to the left bottom corner of the room, the desk to under the window, the left dresser to the right side of the room, and have the other dresser right beside it. Also, let's move the mirror to the right bottom corner of the room. I want to move the bed, but it can't be beside the window because it gets cold. It can't be to the left of the room because the walls are thin and you can hear everything going on in the next room. So I'm going to do something pretty unconventional here and move the bed to the middle of the room. You're probably sitting there like, what? What are you doing? But just trust me, trust the process. The last thing I'm going to do is move the side table to this corner of the room. My uncle's favorite color is blue, so I'm going to add touches of blue and beige. I have to change the duvet cover, add a slip-on cover to the rocking chair, add some curtains, get a nice woven rug, get a side table that can be used as a laptop stand, some greenery, another nightstand to make the bed set look symmetrical, and a lamp for the back of the room. My aunt wants a separate prayer area, so what I'm going to do is get a partition and place it behind the bed. I'm leaving the left side of the wall empty so that there is a pathway to get to the back of the room. The next thing I'm going to do is paint a blue and beige accent wall. And I'm also going to paint the front of the bed frame, night tables, and dressers beige. Lastly, I have to add handles to the dressers and night tables. I got a lot to do, so here we go. I started off with priming the furniture. You're probably like, what are you doing painting laminate IKEA furniture? Trust me, trust the process. I did my research and you have to prime with a shellac-based primer so that the paint will stick onto the surface. I got this tool from Home Depot and it's just so much easier to use than a roller or a brush. The paint comes on evenly and the end result is just beautiful. You can also use this tool on trims and edges like how I'm showing you in my TikTok. So you see that frame on top of the bed? Instead of throwing it out, I'm going to repurpose it and paint over it. I'm painting in English and Arabic. The three words that I'm painting are sabr, tawakkul, and shukr. If you don't know what that means, sabr means patience, tawakkul means trusting in God's plan, and shukr means having gratitude. These three words have gotten me through a lot, and I wanted to paint this for my aunt so it can be a constant reminder for her to be patient and grateful no matter what, and to trust in God's plan because God is the best of planners. The painting still needs a couple more coats, but I'll show you how it turned out at the end. After letting the primer dry for at least 2 hours, I'm going to paint the furniture this beige color. I used a bigger painting pad this time. I'm so in love with these tools, I'm never going to be going back to a roller again. While you're at it, make sure you like and subscribe this video. Guys, look at how beautiful this blue is. I love it. For this accent wall, I didn't want to just do one solid color. I wanted to make a statement. Actually, this isn't an accent wall. It's a statement wall. It's a totally random design, but I just thought it would look cool. I'm going to let the paint dry and then move on to the next thing. Oh yeah, hot tip. If you hate the smell of paint or chemicals in your room, just leave a bunch of sliced onions around the room so that the onion will absorb the odor. It actually works like a charm. It is finally time to get rid of these drapes. If you've watched my other videos, you know I always install double curtains so that this way you got options as to how much light you want in your room. Lastly, let's drill some holes so that we can give these handles a new home. The gold handles to these dressers are just everything. It makes such a difference. I love it. Now it's time to clean up and add the final touches. Also, side note, with these little glimpses that you see of me, if I look tired, it's because I am, plus I'm not wearing makeup. Anyways, I'm just really glad that I was able to get all of this done within one day. I'm so proud of myself and I can't wait for you guys to see how it all turned out. But before we do that, let's get a quick reminder of how it looked like before. Now that I look back on it, this room looks kinda sad. By the way, my aunt isn't comfortable being on camera, so I got the reaction of her family instead. You're going to hear her speak Tamil in some parts, which I obviously will translate, and yeah, if you didn't know, I speak Tamil. Vanakkam, let's go.
Okay, wait, I can't see everybody's faces. Hold on. Okay. 3, 2, wait, Jose, go step a little bit back.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. 3, 2, 1, open your eyes.
Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is sick! Oh my god! Yeah.
Wait, what's behind?
It's a.
Oh my god, it's your prayer.
Oh, this too?
Yeah.
Sick. Oh.
I wanted this.
Why?
I told her that I want a separate place for prayer.
Oh my god, this is your idea? This was my idea.
This is sick. Look at the wall design. Huh? Look at the wall design.
Oh my god.
Wow.
The bed in the middle is sick.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the drawer.
Oh, you added these.
Yes, it's a burger.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, the candle.
Look, she got another one.
Two. This is
Wow.
sick.
Damn.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
this rug is so perfect. And this thing goes so
Yeah.
well with like
The plant in the.
Whoa.
Look at this beautiful thing.
Yeah.
She painted this thing.
You know the old painting you had?
Oh,
what
this is
in.
an oh.
You know the like water thing?
It's a beautiful reminder.
Damn.
It like seeps through it with the blue.
So sick.
This
The
is
wall turned out so
nice.
Even this mirror goes so.
Yeah, yeah.
well.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
Wild.
The nightlight
Wow.
in the. This looks sick. Yeah. And there's like the throat, so you can have.
The
I
wall
know,
is
the water is so
nice.
The bed in the middle. I was like, what would she do with the bed? I thought you could only do it against
This
the
is
wall.
such a. Did you get the sheets from IKEA?
Yeah.
This is so good. Damn.
I like this better than the other one we saw.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah.
I was so iffy about this makeover.
Yeah.
So wild. This doesn't be like the same room. Like
Oh my god. So cute.
This room transformation is definitely one of my top 3 favorites, and the reaction to the reveal just made me so happy. I got items from Amazon, Home Depot, IKEA, and Walmart. Navida gave me a budget of $500 that she was willing to spend for her mom, but it came up to $800. My aunt is very special to my family and I wanted her to have an amazing room, so my sisters and I pitched in a total of $300. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like, you can watch my previous videos to see the other rooms I've done, and have yourself a wonderful day.